Something I want to cover as an add-on to last week's piece about weakness and strength, because I think it's important. The notion to some men that being spiritual is not a manly thing to do, and it makes them feel uncomfortable. This is yet again another program which dictates certain aspects of society are domains of only female or male oriented. We have to stop doing that. But how is self-development being classed as not manly enough? Who came up with that idea? Now we have to stop and think about how certain aspects of our life are only for one group or another. All that is more limitation and divide and conquer narratives. We've had enough of them. Being spiritual is a return to who and what you really are. The reality is you are the spirit in a human suit, not the other way round. So please stand up for who and what you are, not what society or other people want you to be. You want free will. It's up to you to exercise it then. But don't be stating that being spiritual is not manly. That's programming.